So how do we actually play FC26 with controller on our PC? Well, the first thing we need to do is to make sure that we connect our controller here to our PC correctly. So the first thing you need to realize, is it a Bluetooth controller or do you want to connect it via the wire here, as you can see? Well, if it's a Bluetooth controller, quite often on the back you will see like a little switch here that will say like BT Bluetooth or like a Bluetooth logo or something like right here that you have to switch to. And then you have to basically turn it on, and I'm going to show you how you should do if you have a Bluetooth controller. So go into settings on your PC here or laptop, and then go into Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, and then Bluetooth here, as you can see. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load here, and then show all devices, and then basically find your specific controller on the Bluetooth here. I don't have a Bluetooth controller, I will use a wired one instead, as you can see. So I'm just gonna actually take my wire here and the other end. If you also have a wire, you have to take the other end here, which is gonna be probably a USB, and then just plug it into your PC or laptop, for example here, or where you're able to, of course. And then what we need to do is to just click on this button right here. I mean, if you have one, obviously, and then you can see now it's turned on here for me. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into Steam, because I'm guessing that's where all of you have purchased the FC26 game, and then go into library, and then I'm just going to take a random game like this one as an example. You can see here, or actually let's take this one, just because it's easier to explain how it's going to look. So you need to, of course, on your library here, find the FC26 game, and then it's going to probably say something about controllers here. If it says controllers not supported, don't worry. You just have to click on View Controller Settings here, and make sure to enable Steam input for FC26 right here. So make sure to enable the Steam input. That's where you're able to make sure that you can actually play with a controller on your PC on FC26. You just have to enable the Steam input here and then go into the game, and then you will be able to play with a controller on FC26 on your PC. It's that simple.